Sesha means freedom in Irish. So we are for freedom, just giving migrant women the freedom to speak, freedom to get skills, and to socialize, network. So it's a space that gives women a chance again in life. The experience that I've had with Sesha is very homely, and it's very emotional for me, because I joined Sesha when I came into Ireland, and giving my background where I come from, when I got to Ireland, I just had lost strength and lost motivation to do anything. But when I joined Sesha, they equipped you with the skills, and you get to network with other people, and you integrate into the society through Sesha, because we do workshops that we are for the public, and you meet a whole lot of people from different walks of life, and you get to learn a lot and be equipped with different skills that you did not even think you had. When you are in direct provision, there's a time when you can't even work because you still don't even have your work permit and all that. But with going there and doing those projects, it gives you a purpose in life. It gives you the will to say, you know what, something better is going to come out of this, because there's nothing nice than making something with your own hands and look at it, and someone else will come and say, oh, this is beautiful. It gives you that, oh, okay, at least I can do something that somebody else lacks, and it's very, very nice.